Evening, Lord. I'm a truck driver. I've traveled and logged many a mile, and my life has been kind of like this road I've been driving on. Up one hill and then another. And somehow as I'm driving along tonight, I'm just a-wondering, what's that last mile gonna be like? Now I know I haven't been found on Sunday morning where the church bells ring, but somehow I feel that you're riding with me tonight, and it makes this tired old heart wanna sing. Heading on home, I'm heading on home, never again to be alone. Open up those gates so wide, for tonight I'm heading on home. Now I know I haven't been all that a man should be, and all those other miles I've gone, well, they seemed important to me. But after this trip you've made with me tonight, Lord, it's that last mile that I want to drive just right. Heading on home, I'm heading on home, never again to be alone. Open up those gates so wide, for tonight I'm heading home.